How to connect Apple Music to GTA 5 PS5. To connect Apple Music to GTA 5 on PS5, it's important to understand the limitations and workarounds, because GTA 5 does not natively support Apple Music integration, especially on consoles like the PS5. However, here are the best options. Option 1. Use PS5 background music feature. PS5 supports Spotify natively, but not Apple Music. So, Spotify. You can open Spotify in the PS5 and play music in the background while playing GTA 5. Apple Music. Not currently supported as a native app on PS5. Option 2. Workaround to play Apple Music during GTA 5. If you're determined to use Apple Music, here's a workaround. Use your iPhone or iPad. 1. Play Apple Music on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Connect your device to a Bluetooth speaker or headphones. Step 3. Start GTA 5 on your PS5. Step 4. Adjust volumes as needed. Game and music separately. Using TV audio input or headphone splitter. Some TVs or audio systems allow Bluetooth audio input or headphone splitter, letting you hear both the game and Apple Music simultaneously. Alternative: Custom in-game radio. GTA 5 for PC allows users to add custom music files to a folder, Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5, and User Music. But this does not work on PS5. And that's it. This was the tutorial on how to connect Apple Music to GTA 5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.